Hello, welcome back to the garden. Well, gardening can be expensive, especially if you don't plan ahead. So I'm going to show you something today which could save you money and also fill your garden with blooms in the early part of next year. And that is to sow biennials right now. Plants like foxgloves. If you sow them now, they will germinate very quickly in the heat of summer. They'll grow on for the rest of summer. You plant them out in autumn and they will flower in the early part of next year. You know, I was in a garden centre a few weeks ago and I saw one foxglove plant in bloom being sold for £10. Well, this packet of seed probably cost just a couple of pounds and I could literally grow hundreds of them. It couldn't be easier. I've got here a couple of seed trays. These are actually trays that plants arrived in the post, so I'm just recycling them. I've filled them with compost and then it's just a matter of sowing the seed very thinly on the surface. Now, foxglove seed is tiny, so you want to try your very best, as I say, to sow thinly, otherwise it will be hard to separate them once they start to germinate. Then you can cover them with a very thin layer of compost, or I actually prefer just to put a little bit of grit on top. Then it's just a case of putting a label in, watering them and leaving them somewhere bright. Once they're up a bit and they're easy to handle, you can prick them out and put them into separate pots and then, as I say, in autumn time, plant them out in the garden. So this really is a very quick job that will save you a fortune and transform your garden next year.